Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us have encountered at some point. Picture this. You're working on your computer, trying to access a specific file, but you can't remember where you saved it. Frustrating, right? This is a problem that can happen to anyone, regardless of how organized we try to be. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The best way to quickly find a misplaced file on your computer is by using the build in search function. Simply type in the name of the file or keywords related to it in the search bar, and let the system do the work for you. The search function will scan your computer and present you with a list of matching results, making it easy for you to locate the file you're looking for. It's a simple yet effective solution to a common issue. In addition to using the search function, another helpful solution is to organize your files into clearly labeled folders. This will not only make it easier for you to locate specific files in the future, but will also help you maintain a more organized computer system overall. By creating a filing system that works for you, you can save yourself time and frustration when searching for important documents or projects. In summary, when faced with the problem of not being able to find a specific file on your computer, remember to utilize the search function and keep your files organized in labeled folders. These simple solutions can make a big difference in streamlining your workflow and reducing unnecessary stress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your own file finding tips. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!